What's up? What's up? What's up? This is your boy Dions Royale Sylvester, and I am going to share with you Beyond the 750 Club's 750 Edge when it comes to trading. A lot of people who trade would love to have an edge when it comes to their trading when they want to get in and when they want to get out. And I want to share with you guys today something very, very cool for experienced traders as well as those who've never traded a day in their life. Okay, check this out. What you're looking at is TradingView. And anybody who's ever traded before, they know that they mark up their charts on TradingView so they can, look at their week and project and basically see, because nobody knows what the market is going to do, but they mark up the chart so they can see where the momentum is going up or down, sideways, or that what they call consolidation. And we're looking at consolidation right now because it doesn't look like it's breaking out anywhere. You might see these gold lines here and then this blue line here. Don't worry about what that is right now. If you want to find that out a little bit later, definitely you can plug into the 750 Academy and we get into detail about what that is. But what I want you guys to pay attention to for new traders as well as experienced traders is the two different colors of the candles. It's red and it's blue. And as you probably can see, red means it's going down and blue means it's on its way up. So if you are just looking at this for the first time, would you know when to get in a trade? Or would you even get in a trade? And mind you, guys, this is gold. This is XAU USD. And if anybody knows anything about trading, then uh, gold is a volatile market. And people say, hey, you can lose your shirt trying to trade gold. It's better to just go back and trade traditional Forex pairs, learn, get your bumps and bruises, and then try to do gold. I've even heard a mentor of mine say, before you trade gold, you need to earn $100,000 in the market. Now, that is a heavy statement to make to somebody who's trying to make some money and then they heard about Forex and then you say, hey, before you put your fingers on gold, you need to make $100,000 first. Wow, that's heavy. So why are we even on gold? Why is Beyond the 70 Club even looking at gold? Well, because I want to bring you the edge. And the edge is basically showing you where you can possibly get into the market going up or going down, bearish or bullish, buying or selling. So how does it even work? You're looking at a blank screen right now. What I am going to do, I am going to give you the edge. Watch what happens when I give you the edge. Voila. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. Now, buy what? Sell what? We're going to buy and sell gold. The power of the 750 edge, it tells you when you to buy and when you can sell and get in to make anywhere between 10 and 25 pips. 10 and 25 pips? Are you serious? Yeah, let's look at this. What we're going to this blue line represents when the week ended and it started a new week. So let's go when the market opened back up this week on Monday or Sunday actually. And Sunday, here we are. Sunday when the market opens up. So I'm going to put a line here on Sunday. We're going to actually go looking from when this week started and up to where we currently are now and to see what type of results this scanner had, the 750 edge. So let's go to when Sunday market opened and let's put it here and let's make this color, let's make it gold. All right. Or let's change the color because we got the gold ones going the lateral way, so not vertical. So let's make this one, let's make it red. All right, so this is where the chart opened on Sunday. Normally, traditionally, we do teach, and I've been taught by my mentor, hey, wait for the market movers to make their move. Don't trade until Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Trade with the market makers. And I totally agree. Trade with the market makers. Some people, since they have a scanner, they say, well, isn't the scanner kind of like the market makers? Not necessarily. it does give you indications of when to get in and when to get out of the market. So we're not going to look at the pre-sales. We're not going to look at the pre-buys. We're going to look at the actual buys and sales, even though those pre's are momentum shifters. So let us take a look at the first one, which happened on Sunday at 6:30 p.m. And you got a notification when the two lines crossed and it said buy. We want to know if we got anywhere between 10 and 25 pips. All right, so it didn't start at the beginning of this candle, to be fair. It did not cross until the middle or almost the top of this blue candle. So putting the start, when we got the indicator to actually buy, because the pre-buy probably happened somewhere down here. Yeah. But the confirmation happened when those two lines cross. So we're going to be fair and see that we get 10. Oh, there's 10. We got 10 in 15 minutes. All right, because you can see it's a 15-minute candle. So the second candle, it continued to go up. And let's see, do we get 25? Do we get 25? Did we get 25? There's 25. We got our 25 pips on 3 candles. That took us 45 minutes. And we'll talk about how much that could be potentially. Or let's talk about it now. If you have $100 account, you can't trade, you wouldn't trade gold with $100. But if you had $100 account and you wanted to trade gold, the most you could trade is 10 cents, because we definitely don't want to trade any more than 5% of our account. So we're not willing to risk more than 5%. So what's 5% of $100? That's $5. We're not willing to risk more than $5 out of our 100. We don't want to take it down to $94 or anything. We want to potentially win and take profit. So we're trading 10 cents. So if you took this trade with the scanner and it still went up, you see that wick on the third candle, it actually did give you 30. So let's say if you went and you stayed in till you got 30 pips. All right. So 30 pips at 10 cents, that's $3. So you took your $100 account and in 45 minutes, you took it up to $103. Now, a person might say $3, that's not a lot. But I want you to tell me where you can take 10 cents, drop it off, come back, and in 45 minutes, it's $3. Somebody in whoever's listening to this, tell me right now where you can take a dime, drop it off somewhere, come back in 45 minutes, and somebody will give you $3 for it. It's just not possible. But it just happened right here in the foreign exchange market. When you took the buy signal, you just turned 10 cents into $3 because you got your 30 pips. All right. So we got that one. All right. So now as we're moving along, we got our 30 pips. We got anywhere between 10, 25 to 30 pips on this buy. Let's say we maxed out and we took the 30. If you had an account that had $500 in it, if you had a $500 account as opposed to a $100 account, then you could have possibly have did a trade with $1. Instead of 10 cents, you had a dollar lot size. So if you had a dollar lot size, then this same 30 pips would be $30. Because remember, the 10 cent, we got 30 pips, that was $3. The $1 lot size at 30 pips, that is now $30. Some people, if you are partnered with Beyond the 750 Club, we show you where you can take $100 instead of starting with 100. You can start with 15,000. We show you how to turn $100 into 15,000 without a credit check, and with a $15,000 account, you could possibly trade at a $10 lot size. Now, at a $10 lot size, we still want to have proper risk management. How much are you willing to lose off of $10,000? Remember, off $100 is 5%. So $100 is $5. $1,000 is $50. $10,000 is $500. So we are willing to risk $500 of the 15,000. Actually, a little $600 you can risk is 5% of 15,000. So you can take a 10% lot size and still have a stop loss of 35 to 40 pips, which is easily $400 at a lot size that you can willing to risk, or actually more than that. But this gave you no drawdown. You had no drawdown at all. You immediately went into profit when you got into this trade. So at a $10 lot size, that is $300. So if you partner with Beyond the 750 Club and you have a $15,000 account, you had a $10 lot size, this trade got you $300 as opposed to $3. So it's probably best to partner with Beyond the 750 Club before you get started in trading. Even if you're a professional and know what you're doing, you should still partner with Beyond the 750 Club. Use other people's money, and we'll show you how to do that. All right. So the market continued to move on, right, ladies and gentlemen? So now we have it started moving down, and then we had a pre-sale notification. What is that pre-sale notification showing us? That the market is having momentum to shift in a different direction. Okay. So we did not get a sale. It just said, hey, it's a pre-sale. The market is shifting from moving upwards to moving downwards. So now we are going about our business. And yes, this did happen. And some people do get into the pre-sale and pre-buys, but that's, like I said, those are people that are in the 750 Academy. There's different strategies for pre-buys and pre-sales, but we're not here to cover that right now. We're just going to talk about the actual buys and sales and what happened this week, right? So as we continue to go along in the market, we move along, we move along. All right, so this is still Sunday. I mean, we're still on Sunday, and this is almost midnight. So it's 11 o'clock. No, it's 10 o'clock, somewhere 10 o'clock, 9 to 10 o'clock right here when we get a notification and it says to buy. Because I definitely want people to understand you do not win every single trade that you take. It is impossible to win every trade. Even with AI, guys, you still are not going to win every trade. So let's see what happened when it told us to get into this trade. I just wanted to make that disclaimer as well. So here is where it crossed. Even though you see this is where the candle ended, but it started down, it dipped down here. When it came down here where the lines is crossed, that's where it said buy. So once we got in at the buy, it'd give us 10 pips. It got us 10, and it continued to go up. It got 25. It hit the 25 pips. If the person was like, I'm going for the 30, they did not quite make the 30. But if you were going for your 10 to 25 pips, you did take profit on this buy. And why do I say if you wanted to get 30? Because as you can see, this candle, it came down and it is at 24 pips. This one continued to go down. But what I want you to understand, did it ever go down 40 to 50 pips? It never did. So you can still be in this trade, ladies and gentlemen. So it never hit your stop loss. You're just waiting and you're just waiting. And then you hit there's another pre-buy that says, okay, get in. So now you're in this buy. Now we're still in the first one. Remember, that was 0. Let's go back to 0. That is where the first trade occurred, at 0 on the first one. And now we're in the second one. Now we're in 2 trades. Did we go up 10? We have our 10. Did we go 15? We're at 17. We're at 20, and we want to go to the top of the wick. We want to hit the top of the wick. That's the top of the wick. That is 32. So it is safe to say with both of these trades, we got anywhere between 10 to 25 pips. We took profit on both of those. That was Sunday. So for those, even though traditionally we do not trade on Sunday and Monday, we wait. If you have the scanner and you are taking the signals that it gives you, then we took profit on both, well, all 3 of these trades. This one that happened, this one that happened, and this one that happened. This is Sunday. So now we're going to bed. Okay, so now we're in bed. And while we're in bed, Monday is creeping up on us, and it is 1 o'clock in the morning. Who's woke at 1 o'clock in the morning? Those that have their alerts next to their cell phone that says time to make money. So for those of us who heard that alert, and right when it crossed, did it give us 10 to 20 to 30 pips? Here is, let's go to the bottom of the candle, because that is where the line touched. There's 10. There is 20. There are 30 pips. So we woke up at 1 o'clock in the morning and we secured 30 pips in 15 minutes. Because remember, these are 15-minute candles. If you have a $15,000 account with Beyond the 750 Club and you had a $10 lot size, that is $300 that you secured at 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so now we continue to go. We excited because we got 1 o'clock money. Like, I'm still asleep. I made money in my sleep because I got an alert. And then this one came and it said, hey, this is where you see where the two lines cross. That is where it said sell. Now it's going in a different direction. This is all during consolidation, ladies and gentlemen. We're making money during consolidation when they said it's the worst time to trade. Thank you for the scanner. So now let's see. We going down. We're selling now. There's our 10. There's our 20. Did you go and do 30? Did you do 30? There's 33. It took 15, 30, 45 minutes. It took 45 minutes. But if you are beyond the 750 club and you have a $15,000 account minimum, which only costs you $100 to secure, by the way. So yeah, you could take $100 and you can trade 10 cents, or you can take $100, get a $15,000 account and trade $10. So doing that, trading the $10 lot size, you got your 30 pips and you're more excited because now you got another $600 and you haven't even started your day yet. I know you're saying, like, guys, where can we get this scanner? If wherever you are on the social media platform, there's a link. If you're on Instagram, go to the link in the bio. If you're watching from Facebook Live, it's on plenty of other posts. You can definitely find, and it's, guys, use this scanner for free for 30 days. I mean, there's no holds barred. You get 30 days to this, and we're trading gold, guys, and gold moves very, very fast. So I'm trying to get money to you very, very fast. That's all we're trying to do here at Beyond the 750 Club. All right, let's continue. All right, so now this next candle came, and it's 3:30 in the morning, and I know you guys are excited. And like, can we get a loss? Like, can we not get 10 pips somewhere? Can we get in this trade and not make the 10 pips? All right, but it went up. It went up. There's our 10. There is 20. And the second one got us 24. So we did not quite get 25 pips. So it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and we got 10, we got 15, and then it started coming down. And somebody might have tried to wait until it to go back up, and they probably lost this trade. Somebody heard this indicator here that said sell. And remember, they got in here, right where the lines crossed, and then the sale came a little bit below. So when the indicator came below, whoever was in this trade, if they didn't take the 10 to 15 to 20 pips and they were waiting for the 30 and it came back down, they probably lost a couple of dollars, because the signal and indicator came and said, hey, we're moving the different direction, so now you can get out. So in consolidation, that will happen. It will definitely, this entire move is a consolidation. But I'm trying to show you what Beyond the 750 Club, even in consolidation, you can eat. So now we got our pre-sale and we got our sale confirmation. And I don't have to measure this for you to see, did you get your 10 to 25 to 30 pips? You can see that. Some people that are experienced in the Beyond the 750 Club Academy, they probably got a little bit more than 30 pips. And just to show you, just for visual sake, this has dropped and it's still dropping, but let's say we went to this candle here, this red candle. This was 9 hours. It did take 9 hours, but it's also 276 pips. So let's do the math. If you have 276 pips and you had a 10-cent trade, that's $27.60. So you took your $100 to $127 in 9 hours. That is a great, great return. If you had the 276 pips and you had a $1 lot size, that's $276 in 9 hours. Some people make that in their work hour at their job, in the 8 or 9 hours on their work shift. They make $276 in a day. Some people don't, some people do. If you were part of Beyond the 750 Club and you had turned your $100 into a $15,000 account, then that 276 pips times $10 in 9 hours would be $2,760. My question to you is it worth waiting 9 hours to get $2,760. And somebody might say, but Dion, do you see that huge red wick that wicked all the way up that took people out of the trade? Do you see that? And my answer is yes, I see that. But remember, guys, we were in this trade way up here. And you fooled yourself because that's not a wick. The only wick is here. And you are still in profit. Who said something about that? Oh, I see why you said it, because when I brought it over here, it looks like it's a wick that high. No, that's just where we actually started the trade. But great question. Great question. No, we were in profit all the way through to this trade. And that's, remember, I stopped here at 270. It's still going down. How much is that going down, Dion? Let's take a look before it started to come back up. I'm not going to even tell you what this line is, where we knew that this was coming down to this line and going to hit it and bounce back up. I'm not going to tell you why we knew that, but we knew that. And just to show you, for those who are experienced in Beyond the 750 Club, who got in here and did not get out until it hit this line, they waited 10 hours, but they got 300 pips. If you are a part of Beyond the 750 Club, then you took that and you made $3,000 in 10 hours. Anybody can use an extra $3,000 from an entry when the AI bot told you where to get in. Anybody? Absolutely. I'm sure that you can. Remember, guys, it's a 30 days free. All the profits that you make in 30 days, you get to keep. How long did it take us to do this, guys? Let's go back. This was Sunday. If you are part of Beyond the 750 Club, you have a $15,000 account minimum, because you have the ability to get up to a 250,000. We have the ability to get up to $1 million in funding. $1 million in funding. But just starting with $100, investing and turning it into 15,000 with no credit check at all, you secured the funding, and now you're getting trades. You're coming in, and we're not going to count this. This was Friday. We didn't get in Friday. Everything after Sunday. So you have a 30 pip. Let's be fair. Let's call it a 25 pip profit. Not the 30. We didn't max out the 30. We took 25 on each trade. So 250, 500, 750, 1,000, 1,250, 1,500, 1,750. This is all between Sunday and Monday. Who could use that? Who could use 1,750 in 2 days? Okay. All right. So those of us that are part of Beyond the 750 Club, a lot of people did not get out until here. Whoever was super greedy didn't get out until here because they were waiting for the next indicator. And so now you're like, well, I didn't get any signals. I didn't get any more signals Monday. You ate really good Sunday and Monday. Are you okay if you don't eat Tuesday? Like, no, I still need to eat. Okay, remind you guys, that's still Monday. That was Monday. So let's go to Tuesday. All right, don't mind pre-sales, don't mind the pre-buys. You're not experienced yet. Can you make money using those? It's possible. You see that it's possible. But we're not counting that money. We're just staying with our confirmed buys and sales, and does it give us our 10 to 15 pips each run. So now we're on Tuesday. On Tuesday, it tells us to get into a trade. We got a notification. We got a text. Did it give us 10? There's our 10. Did it give us 15? There's our 15. Did it give us 20? There's our 20. Did it give us 25? It gave us our 30, because you can see in the next 15 minutes, that 30-minute candle spiked up at almost 40 pips. So yes, we got our 30 there, but we're going to say conservative 10, 15 to 20 pips, and we received that money on Monday. It got a pre-sale came. We just riding, we riding. And there's notifications that you could turn on for both pre-sales and confirmed sales, pre-buys and confirmed buys. But again, that's for the academy level. Don't worry about that. You can always get into the academy and we partner up and talk more in detail about this, but it's kind of self-explanatory, guys. So here we are. It is Tuesday. It's today. So we got this one on Tuesday morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. We woke up because we keep our phones near our pillows now. And so this one came this morning, 8:30 this morning. And you can see how it spiked up like crazy. It spiked up tremendously. But before it did that, you see how that dip happened. So here, did we get 10? Did we get 20? Did we got 30 in that one in the solidness of the candle. So it didn't wick up yet. So we came down, we got 30. Actually, this candle dipped all the way down to 60 pips. So we're not even worrying about 60 pips or whatever. We got our 10, 15, 20, and then it spiked up. And then it took people out and it went up 77 pips higher. So yeah, definitely some people were taken out on this one wick. You can't predict the market. And it's like, hey, y'all got all of this money from me Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I'm gonna try to get something back. I need to get something back. So those who are beyond the 750 club, they got their 10, 15, 20, and they got out of it and they did not worry about this spike up. They ate. I ate. And we continue to go the rest of the week. And I'm showing you guys this is where we are currently. The market is currently, this is like Tuesday, January 14th. It's 5 in the evening. And if you look at this candle, I put it here, it says Tuesday, the 14th of January, and it is 5:24 p.m. 45 p.m. But yeah, this is where we are. This is live in the market. And if you got the last indicator of Tuesday, I'm not going to say the last, it might give you another one, but this one said get in for the buy. If you are with us right now and you are beyond the 750 club and you got in this trade, you got your 10 in the first 15 minutes. You got 25 in the next 30 minutes, and you hit your 30 pips in the next 45 minutes. So within an hour, you got your another 300 pips. So, ladies and gentlemen, even if you took this loss, if we did take a loss here, I just want you guys to understand the power of AI and the power of Beyond the 750's edge. It's giving you the edge when it comes to trading. If you're not experienced at all in trading, but you're experienced in text messaging, and I'm sure many of us are, then you can utilize this to make income every day. Now, we're going to count the income again. We're going to take it conservative and say we got our 25 pips. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trades for the week. Let me stretch this out just to ensure and make sure nothing was bundled up. So I'm going to bring it back. We got 1, 2, 3. Remember, we're not counting the pre-buys and sales. We're not counting that bonus money. All right, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is correct. So we have 10 trades, and each one of them took 25 pips. So we got 25 pips times our $10 lot size because we are a part of Beyond the 750 Club and we have a minimum of $15,000 account. So we have a $10 lot size. That was $250 per trade times 10. That is an additional $2,500 for the week so far. Today is Tuesday. We got started Sunday. With an additional $2,500 help you and your family do whatever it is extra that you wanted to do financially? If the answer is yes, then here at Beyond the 750 Club, we want you to use and try the scanner for yourself for free for a full 30 days. We're using it on gold, guys. Remember, one of the most volatile markets that exist outside of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is ridiculous. And somebody's like, well, what about Bitcoin? Because, man, Bitcoin, can you use it on Bitcoin? Ooh, that's a huge claim. Oh my goodness. Why would I bring a Bitcoin and oh my God, am I going to do that? Am I really about to pull up Bitcoin on you guys live? Let's see. Let's cut it off. Let's see. Bitcoin is volatile, extremely volatile. Oh my God. It's crazy. You see that? It's moving though. But would you know when to get in and when to get out with this thing? Like, oh my God, did you see this wick by itself? That's crazy. Who would know what to do with this? Let's see if we can get an edge. Hmm. And I'm just randomly pulling it up. This is the AI and the performance of the 750 edge. So it said sell. Here's our first indicator. It says sell. Did it give us 30, 30 did it, oh my God, did it? It just kept going down and kept going down. So if you just wanted your 10 to 15 to 30, you got those. All right. So let's keep looking because Bitcoin is volatile. Okay, it said pre-buy here. It didn't give you a buy indicator. Remember, you are not in the academy yet. So you don't use those. So you're just waiting because Bitcoin is what? What's going on? Okay, did it say two buys back to back? Now this one actually gave you some pullback. This one pulled back a little bit. Did it pull back enough for you to lose the money? No, it got back in and said buy again. And then it took off. So you got two. So you won twice. Did you win twice? Oh, did you win? Wait a minute. That's three times? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It went up. Wait a minute. And this is wait, did it go up? Oh, wait a minute. This is live right now. And this is saying, oh my goodness, this is right now, Dions. So you're actually saying if I had the scanner. You cannot make this up, ladies and gentlemen. You can't make this up. What you need to be doing is going to the link right now and clicking it and getting your first 30 days. And oh, by the way, if you don't have TradingView, there's a link when you do go to sign up. Go and get TradingView for free. You can get TradingView for free. And once you get TradingView for free, it's going to have you pick a username. Once you get your username, email us your username, and then we're going to give you access to this scanner right away today so you can get right into Bitcoin. If you see it's still moving up, it's just going up on its own in our face because it said buy. This is not give you it, oh my goodness. The next candle just started and it's still blue. We cannot make this up, ladies and gentlemen. What you need to do is get into the link and go right now wherever you're looking at. I'm not going to like say it right now, but if you go to beyond750club.com, there is a link somewhere on there where you can actually get the scanner for free for 30 days. I want you to try it first. Because, yeah, you can buy the scanner for $750, and I would love for you to buy. There's two scanners. There's a scanner for the high volatility, like we're looking at now, and then there's a scanner for the conservative, the EUs, the UJs, the USD, GBP, the regular traditional Forex pairs. We have that there as well. So you can get both of them $750 a piece, or you can get them for $1,000. If you get them for $1,000, guys, right now, you also get a one-on-one with me. You also get free credit repair done for you, not even having to pay the monitoring for the first 90 days. The first 90 days of monitoring is on Beyond the 750 Club. So you get a free hour with the founder and the owner of Beyond the 750 Club. You also get both scanners for life and all the updates. You get it for life. It's yours. And you also get the you got the credit repair, you get the access to the academy, you get the one-on-one, you get the both scanners. Now, if you don't have the $1,000, which I'm sure most of you do, and I'm giving it to you for free right now, but you can pay for the year. You know, if you just want to get it for the year, you can do it for the year. It's $350 for the 750 Edge, or $500 for both the 750 Edge and the 750 Edge Razor. You can get them both for $500 for the year. Or if you just want to do it monthly, you can get the 750 Edge for $50 a month. Or you can get both of them, the 750 Edge and the 750 Edge scanner, at $75 for the month. Now, you heard me speaking about the Academy. The Academy, it is a monthly subscription as well. The basic level is $75 a month. You get access to one of the scanners, as well as access to our every Sunday meeting. Then there is the intermediate. The intermediate is $125 a month, but that also gives you both scanners. So you get both scanners. You also get the access every week, and then you also get the credit repair done for you as well. And then we also have the elite, the premium membership. The premium membership is $250 a month. You get both the scanners, you get everything from the business funding, you get all of the credit repair tools in the back office. If you needed to go beyond 2 or 3 months for disputes, there's customized letters that you get as well as you continue to go along. And then we have the Beyond the 750 Club membership, and we have an elite club back there, guys, because once you're in the 750 Club, and we introduce you to the people back there, that's just a whole nother level. So, but in the meantime, what you want to do is get the scanner free. Just put your wallet away. Don't even worry about it. Yes, I want you to buy the products. I'm asking for the buy. It's please buy them all. But I want you to try the scanner for free. And you can definitely do that and get 30 days free on us. All the profits that you make, they're yours to keep. We don't ask you to share in the profits. We just ask for your testimony. You just come back into the club, come back to the back office, and man, I got the scanner today, and then I got into that Bitcoin as soon as he said it. I got into the Bitcoin, and it just went up, and I was in profit. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, thanks to Beyond the 750 Club for allowing this platform to happen. My name is Dions Royale Sylvester. I'm going to sign off. I appreciate you guys giving me your time. Make sure you click the link, download the scanners, get started, and start making money immediately as soon as today. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. Talk to you soon.